welcome to Neskowin Creek RV Park. This is a wonderful place to spend time RVing with our family. We have access to Neskowin Beach about half a mile away, which is one of our favorite beaches on the Oregon coast. Kind of feels like a secret hideaway with these beautiful rocks and caves and rivers on the beach. One of the wonderful things about Neskowin Creek RV Park is they have a lot of activities going on here. I think there's an activity every day. There's a board if you go into the clubhouse that has a list of all the activities, and they have game nights regularly, game mornings. They have they even have food mornings, like they'll have a breakfast on the weekend. They have some regular potlucky type things. They'll have a barbecue a couple days. So there's a lot of activity going on that you can participate in and feel like you're a part of a community.
So we've enjoyed, they have like a trail over there. They have
hiking trail, yeah.
Yeah, which is really fun to have. They have games. They have like a basketball court, and they have like shuffleboard next to the clubhouse, and like what's that, like a volleyball field?
Yeah, there's a volleyball field.
Yeah, and
horseshoes.
Yeah, so there's horseshoes and basketball, a volleyball field. There's tennis, and yeah, and we have been definitely enjoying using the pool and the hot tub, and
the bunnies everywhere.
Yeah, and it's fun to see bunnies everywhere.
Oh my gosh, that's one of our favorite parts, is there's bunnies everywhere. They're so sweet. They'll come right up to you, but they are warned, don't put your fingers next to their mouth. They might bite, but you can, feed them apples or just watch them enjoy the grass all around, and it's beautiful grass all around.
Yeah, it's such a beautiful park. It's such a beautiful experience. It's really fun to be right next to the ocean and the beach, and right next to the mountains where you can hike around, and
beautiful forest.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous here. It's like a little nest that's secret hidden.
Yeah, a secret hidden nest. And the whole team and the staff are so just so kind and helpful, and
Yes,
it's
like a family.
Yeah, they're so present, and
you're welcomed into this family here, and it's like community. Yeah, it's nice. Another fun feature is I've seen people walking around playing frisbee golf. So there's I think it's a 10-hole frisbee golf course here, so that's cool.
Yeah, we'll have to try that out.
Yeah, we'll have to try that out. And they, of course, have a lot of the things that you can borrow, like all the accessories for all the games around here. You can borrow those from the clubhouse. There's free movies that you can honor system check out. There's books. There's games. There's actually a TV lounge in the clubhouse. There's a hot tub. Did you already mention that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely mention hot tub.
Oh, and there's a sauna and a weight room as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's fun. Amazing.
A lot of features here.
Yeah. A beautiful place for everyone in the family.
Yeah.
For sure, there's something for everybody.